Cooking with Chris and my fiance. Hello everyone, this is pork shoulder, mushrooms, chicken's drumsticks, and what's that powder on it? What's that?
Cajun seasoning.
Oh, got some Cajun seasoning. Is there paprika as well?
No, just Cajun.
Oh, just Cajun. Okay. Watch the full video with a video highlight at the bottom of the screen. Thank you very much. Hello everybody. So, what we got cooking here by my lovely fiance, of course. We've got chicken drumsticks, mushrooms, and a pork shoulder with marinading of Cajun and Italian seasoning. Oh yeah. Oh, check that out, guys. Ready for the flipping of the pork, of the drumsticks being flipped as well.
Yep.
Oh yeah, there's Italian seasoning as well as Cajun, not just Cajun. Those mushrooms have shrunk due to the heat. But that's all good. The flavour there. It should be very flavoursome. And something's being added. Some more oil, is that?
Yes, the spray.
Yeah, just a little dash of oil. Just to keep it from drying out, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh really? A lovely jelly. Alright, just an inspection of how things are going. Just turning the drumsticks around. Oh, look at that. This is just turning a lovely golden colour. All the marinades setting in the Cajun and the Italian spices and herbs, and a bit of colour of the pork. Oh yes, oh yes. What does it taste like?
Very good.
Full. Nothing different than perfect. Ooh. Have a look. Ready? What, the mushroom?
Yeah.
Let's try. Oh, beautiful. We've got an addition of, what's this, leeks? Yeah, some finely chopped leeks being added in, which is going to be another golden flavoured taste added to it. Oh, what a wonderful idea. Leeks are just lovely. You're welcome. Ooh. And in plops some pineapple. This is going to be interesting. Is this dish got a name or just lovely things being added?
Just lovely things being added.
Oh. Oh yeah, I mean, like, I don't know about you guys, but I am a pineapple on pizza sort of person, and you are too, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so this should be very nice. Oh yeah, look at these pineapples are roasted quite well. Oh yeah, look at that pork, that's a perfect colour. You reckon this is done good?
Yeah, it's done.
Oh yeah, perfect. Perfection. And all the leeks looks like they've cooked pretty well there. Yeah, absolutely wonderful. Can't wait to try that. And we also have a lovely salad prepared. Some nice dressing there and some Himalayan pink salt. Got to have the right stuff with it. Didn't spot that before, but as the chicken drumsticks have been taken away, look at those juices. Look at that. That's going to taste absolutely amazing. And here it is on the plate. Can't wait to get tucked into that. Please like, and more importantly subscribe for more content just like this. Thank you very much for watching, guys.